A magnificent 1881 country estate. Located in Meanwood, Leeds, England. It offers 12 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Set within 10.1 acres of landscaped grounds, this magnificent Grade 2 listed estate offers a rare opportunity to acquire a substantial principal residence with a collection of historic outbuildings and excellent development potential. The main house extends to approximately 17,528 square feet and is approached via a secure, gated entrance. A secondary gated drive leads to a private courtyard dedicated to the residence. Within the grounds are several additional listed buildings, including an ornate coach house, 2 cottages requiring renovation, and further single-story outbuildings ideal for restoration. The estate is well positioned for both privacy and convenience, with key amenities and transport links close by. The asking price of this magnificent country estate is £3 million. Originally dating from 1881, the property presents a superb opportunity to create an exceptional private family estate or a high-quality residential development, combining scale, character, and prime location in one impressive setting. Thank you for watching.